Myself Srilekha. Today I will discuss about pests of brinjal and bhendi. So first of all I list out what are the different pests present in brinjal and bhendi. Then I will discuss each and everything later. Okay. First of all we will discuss about what are the pests of brinjal. So main pests of brinjal are Epilacna beetle, then shoot and fruit borer. Brinjal, shoot and fruit borer. In bhendi, major pest is bhendi fruit borer. Okay, so now I will discuss about Epilacna beetle. First one, Epilacna beetle. First scientific name Epilacna punctata. Epilacna punctata. And it belongs to the family, order Coleoptera. So next, marks of identification. How we will identify the pest in the field. So first of all, we will discuss about adult. Here, adults are small in size and they are round in shape and having 12 to 24 dark black color spots on the body and thorax, on abdomen and thorax. Okay, so here these are slightly curved in nature, and adult ventral side is flat and dorsal side is convex. So here in the picture we can observe that when we see the adult ventral side is flat and this is convex shape. Okay, here we can see the spots. These dark spots are symmetrical and they are in crescent manner. Crescent manner is nothing but slightly curved manner. Okay, slightly curved like this. Okay, here we can see, we can observe the spots. These are 12 to 24 spots we can observe. This is the most important bit for the competitive exams. Then here the length of the beetle is 5 mm in length and width 3.5 mm. Width is 3.5 mm. Okay, so this is about adult. Then I will discuss about larva or grub. Grub is yellowish white color and having spines on the body. So this is the identification of the grub and adult. Then symptoms of damage. Symptoms and nature of the damage. Symptoms are different, nature is different. Nature, how it will enter into the fruit or either a leaf, and symptoms, what are the effects after the damage, that are symptoms. So here in nature of damage, first of all, after hatching. So here I will tell oviposition site and pupation site. Oviposition site is underside of the leaves, and pupation site is on the leaf surface. Okay, so this is oviposition site and pupation site. So grubs after hatching, they will enter into the leaves. Already they are under surface of the leaves and they will scrape the green matter scrape green matter from underside of the leaf, and they eat total content of the leaf and left over with veins, leaves left over with veins and main veins. Okay, here for example, this is the brinjal leaf. Here we cannot observe any chlorophyll content or any green matter here, only veins are present, veinlets are present, and this is like a skeletonized leaves. Both grubs and adults attack the leaves and they will feed on the green matter, and they form a lace-like appearance on the leaves. Lace-like appearance. This is also called as ladder-like markings. Ladder-like markings. So here the main important symptom is ladder-like markings or lace-like appearance on the leaves due to the attack of which beetle? So Epilacna beetle. So main you concentrate on the important symptoms, not other things like wilting, drooping, drying. These are not mostly important because most of the symptoms are like wilting, drooping because of the damage. But main symptom here is the ladder-like marking. So this is the main important for objective type question in future competitive exams. Okay, so then due to these ladder-like markings, it will appear as a lace-like, and due to this wilting of the leaves we can observe, drooping of the leaves observe, and sickly appearance of the plant. You can observe the sickly appearance of the plant. So these are most important nature of damage and symptoms of damage. Here in the picture we can observe ladder-like markings. Okay, here like this. So these are all attached. If we observe directly and closely, we can see the ladder-like markings on the leaves. So this is about symptoms of damage and nature of damage. Then I will discuss about management. Then I will discuss about management, how we will manage pest in the field. So first of all, we should go with physical methods, biological methods, whatever cultural methods. Then if there is no control with these methods, we can go with the chemical methods. So first of all, we should collect the grubs during morning hours with hand. Okay, hand collection of the grubs during morning hours because they are sluggish in nature. So we can easily collect these grubs during morning hours. Okay, then next thing, collection of egg masses. And destroy the egg masses. This is one of the method. And next thing, we can use biological control methods in egg parasite or larval parasite. Here egg parasite is Tetrasticum ovularum. Then here larval parasite Yuga menoni. So this will suppress the population. And then next we can go with chemical application, carbaryl. Spraying of carbaryl at the rate of 3 grams per liter water. Okay, so it will control the Epilacna beetle. So these are important management methods. So here first we should collect the larva during morning hours and collecting the egg masses, or we can use the egg parasitides or larval parasite. Other method we can also use plant-based organic chemicals. Plant-based organic pesticides. This will also control the pest. Okay. So after all the methods, if we can't see any control, then we will go with application of chemicals. Okay. So this is about management of Epilacna beetle. The next I will discuss about the brinjal shoot and foot borer. So here next important pest in brinjal is brinjal fruit and shoot borer. Root and shoot borer. So the scientific name of brinjal shoot and fruit borer is Lucinodes urbonalis. Lucinodes urbonalis. Here it comes under the order Lepidoptera. So first main important thing is serious pest of brinjal. It is a serious pest of brinjal. You can see the overall country. We can see this pest, and here it is also attack the potato crops, other crops also. Okay. And next thing, first of all, marks of identification. So how we will identify the pest in the field? So first of all, larva about adult. So these adults are small and having white colored wings, and having brownish patches on the wings, and red color markings on the wings. And the span of the wing and wing span is 3/4 of the inch. So here it is 1 inch, in this 3/4. Okay. So wing span is 3/4 of the 1 inch. They are small adults. Okay. And larva. Here larva is pinkish in color. Fully grown larva is pinkish in color and having sparingly hairs, and sparingly nothing but we can observe the hairs at less number. Sparingly hairs and having brownish head. Okay. So these are the marks of identification of the fruit and shoot borer. Then next I will discuss about nature of damage and symptom of damage. So first of all I will discuss about oviposition site and then pupation site. Then I will discuss about nature of damage. So oviposition site is on tender shoots of the plant. Then pupation site, it will take pupation outside the bored holes. Okay. So first, nature of damage and symptoms of damage. So here after hatching, this larva enter into the petiole. First of all, if they attack it during vegetative stage, before commencement of flowering, during vegetative stage. So here the name is shoot and fruit borer. So they will attack fruits as well as shoots. Okay. So during vegetative phase, these larvae after hatching, they will enter into petiole. First they will enter into petiole. Petiole is nothing but here. They make their oviposition site as a tender shoots. Here they will oviposit their legs. They lay their eggs. Okay. After hatching, they will enter into petiole, then enter into midribs. Then they will enter into main shoot, and they will eat inside the shoot, and they will make drying of the shoots. After that, after fruiting, so they will enter into the fruits by making small holes. On the leaves. Fruits. Here these holes are small in size during early stages. After developing of the fruit, they will become as a big circular holes, and they plugged with excreta. So they plugged with excreta. When we cut the brinjal into 2 pieces, so we can observe the larva inside the brinjal. Okay. So they will plugged with excreta. You can also observe at your homes when you are purchasing brinjal, they having any hole on the brinjal, we can surely see the larva inside the brinjal. Okay, so they will make circular holes and it will plug with excreta. And next thing, these whatever vegetables invested with the fruit and shoot borer are unfit for consumption. Okay, they are unfit for consumption and their market value is reduced due to the attack of these shoot borer, and they can infest the crop up to 70%. Okay, they can infect up to 70%. Mainly we can see this attack during transplanting. After transplanting we can observe, and in nurseries we can't observe any fruit and shoot borer. Okay, we can only observe in transplanting, after transplanting the brinjal, and we can also observe during all seasons except winter. Except winter we can observe this pest all the 365 days except winter season. Okay, so this is about nature of damage and symptom of damage. Next I will discuss about how to manage the fruit and shoot borer. So here in the management, first of all remove the damaged shoots. Remove the damaged shoots in the field. And next thing, crop rotation. We should follow the rotation. Next, very important point, resistant variety. Using of resistant variety, Bhagyamati. Okay, Bhagyamati. This chala important. Okay, so this is the most important bit. Resistant variety for brinjal shoot and fruit borer is Bhagyamati. Then next thing, we can use larval parasitoid. Larval parasitoid. Microbracon greeni. Microbracon greeni. We have different larval parasitoids, but remember anything. Okay, so then next thing, chemicals. Carbaryl. 3 times application of carbaryl, 3 grams per liter water. Here, if we use the carbaryl in higher amount, there is a problem of mites. Okay, this will flare up the mites. So after 2 rounds of application of carbaryl, we can spray the acaricides. Okay, because after spraying the carbaryl, this will encourage the increase the population of mites. So that we should spray the acaricides after 2 rounds of the carbaryl. Then 3rd round will spray after the spraying of acaricides. These are main important management. Here main important point is the variety which is resistant to the brinjal fruit and shoot borer is Bhagyamati. Okay, bhendi fruit and shoot borer. Scientific name is, here we can see 2 species, Aereus vitella and Aereus insulana, and this comes under order Lepidoptera. Here marks of identification. First of all, we can observe adults are having 4 wings white color and having green color band in middle of the 4 wings. Here it is in Aereus vitella. Okay, in case of Aereus insulana, we can observe completely green color wings. Completely green color wings. Here it is a main difference between the Aereus vitella and Aereus insulana. Here in the picture we can observe these are the whitish 4 wings and having green color band in the middle of the 4 wings. Here completely green colored 4 wings in Aereus insulana. Next, larva. Here both larvas are having number of black or brownish color spots. Black or brownish color spots. So because of that spots, we can call it as a spotted bollworm. Okay. So this fruit and shoot borer is also called as a spotted bollworm because these larvae have number of black and brownish color spots. Then I will discuss about pupation, oviposition, and next nature of damage and symptoms of damage. Next, oviposition of the spotted bollworm or fruit and shoot borer is oviposition site. They will lay the eggs on flower buds. Then their pupation site is crevices or outside the bowl, any cracks, okay, or on plant surfaces. Okay, they will take pupation on the outside of the bowl or on a plant surfaces. So this is about the oviposition and pupation. Then what are the nature of damage and the symptoms of damage? Here, after hatching, these larvae first during early stages, before bearing the fruits, they will enter into the shoots and they will eat on the matter present inside the shoots, and they will affect the shoot portions. Then after flowering, after fruits bearing, they will enter into the fruits. They will eat on the they will eat inside matter, and they will make holes on the fruits, and they plugged with excreta. And these fruits are unfit for consumption. We cannot use these fruits for making cooking purpose or any purposes. And next thing, due to the attack of fruit and shoot borer, we can see the drooping of the fruits, leaves, shedding of the fruits in early stages, due to the damage. So these are main symptoms of damage and nature of damage of the fruit and shoot borer. Then management. Here in the management, the most important thing is destroying the affected portions. Destroy the affected plants or affected fruits, leaves, etc. Because it will spread the disease, spread the pest. So that's why we should destroy the affected plants or fruits, whatever it may be. Then avoid monocropping or avoid growing cotton after bhendi or bhendi after cotton, because this is a common pest for cotton and bhendi. That's why we should not rotate the crop with cotton or bhendi, or otherwise we should not leave any cotton plants around the bhendi field or any bhendi fields around the cotton field, because it acts as a alternate host for the Aereas vitella or Aereas insulina. So that's why we should not grow cotton after bhendi or bhendi after cotton. So because it serves as an alternate host. Then next thing, the most important things are natural enemies, conservation of natural enemies, which will control the pest. So that's why we should conserve the natural enemies, because of the spraying of number of chemicals, natural enemies are died. So that's why we use the chemicals in limited dose. Okay. So next thing, application of thiodicarb during vegetative phase. Early stages or vegetative phase, we should apply thiodicarb 3 grams per liter. In fruiting stage, we should apply carbaryl or quinolophos 2 ml, కార్బరిల్ అయితే 3 grams, quinalophos 2 ml per liter, or profenophos, whatever the available chemical we can use. Okay, so it can use as a 2 times in 10 days interval. Okay, so first most important thing in management is first we should identify the affected plants or affected fruits, and we should destroy that affected portions, and next we will go with natural enemies or in Brinjal I forget to say that in management erecting the pheromone traps, that is most important thing for the fruit and shoot borer. So please add that point to Brinjal shoot and fruit borer management. So erecting pheromone traps 4 per acre, it is the most important management practice for the control of Brinjal shoot and fruit borer. Here we can also use pheromone traps for the control of Aereas vitella, Aereas insulana. Okay, so these are important management for bhendi fruit and shoot borer. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.